Hello guys, it's Saturday, a rainy Saturday. I am chilling at home, guys. I'm just in the house. I'm actually saving. Let you guys see this. These are all of my videos that I have taken over the years, and I have this external hard drive that I am saving them to. Just trying to make sure that I keep up with it in the event that my computer crashes or something happens to it and I'm not able to. My light right, my light right. You hate it when the light go crazy on your thing. But in the event that I'm not able to, save my computer or something happens to it, it crashes or just somebody steal it. I want to make sure that I have all of my videos backed up. So I've been doing that today and just relaxing at home. And I did a video, guys, and forgive me, I am in my jammies. It's one of those days. Let me see if I can get over here to the window so you guys can see. Well, it actually has stopped right now, but it has been raining. Well, you might not be able to see out the window, but this is a view out my window. Not much of a view. I see the other building. But it has been raining all day today, and y'all forgive me, it's no makeup. It's just one of those days. But it's been raining all day today. And I just been talking to one of my girlfriends. We FaceTime, and I just decided just to pick up the camera today and just chat. Want to thank my new subscribers. And I'm going to scroll your name here because I can't remember it right now. I guess because it's so new. But I was hit by a lady on here that stumbled across my channel and watched. She said she was binge watching some of my videos. And just so you know, I am binge watching yours too. But it's such a great, refreshing relief when you run across somebody that is your age. And she told me that she was in my age group. And so that was awesome because, like I was telling somebody, I had to give myself a little bit of light in the background. I was telling somebody that YouTube is now predominantly a young streaming place. It's the millenniums, and they got that on lock. So it's really hard to find content that would be something that I'm really interested in. A lot of this, I do actually watch a lot of people on YouTube, but most of them are younger generations, and sometimes some of the content gets kind of crazy. So I only watch like certain things that they do, and just so that I'm not just trying to filter through a bunch of videos with a bunch of silliness or twerking or whatever. All right, and one other thing I'm gonna have to remember to do is get me a memory card, because this 5 gig memory card is about to get on my last nerves. It's like in the middle of me recording, it just goes black because I don't have enough memory, and I forget to, once I upload my content to my computer, sometimes I forget to go back in and delete the stuff off of here. So I'm just gonna have to get me a bigger memory card so that I won't have to worry about that if I forget to do it. So guys, I will see you all on tomorrow. Hope you all are having a restful day. Is there anything else I want to tell you about Saturday? I guess not. That's pretty much it. And I'll check with you guys on tomorrow. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. It is Saturday evening, and rather than wait until tomorrow, I decided to go ahead on and get my lock update out of the way. It is a new year, guys, and the locks are thriving, and so I wanted to go ahead and bring you a quick update before my 2-year lock update, which will be around March 25th. That's my actual anniversary, but I'm going to bring you an update on my locks in March. But I wanted to go ahead and just kind of update you on everything. At this particular time, I would have to say that your locks, if you are taking care of your hair as far as making sure you keep it clean and hydrated, your locks are going to do their own thing. I'm going to give you an authentic opinion about locks. It's going to do your own thing. If you're its own thing. If you're washing your hair regularly, keeping it clean, keeping the buildup out, you know, the smog and the dust and stuff from the elements of the world. If you're keeping that out, making sure that you're moisturizing your hair, whether you do it with a conditioner, whether you do it with spritz, locking and sealing it in with an oil. And you know, the oils basically seal in moisture, so you make sure that you kind of keep your hair hydrated. You can use rose water, you know, that's a good moisturizer, and then seal it in with some good oils. Primary good oils, you know, you have to kind of find what your hair likes, because people have different porosity of their hair. So some hair may be prone to being oily, where some hair is really super dry. So you have to figure that out throughout the course of that first year. And then there's oils like olive oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil, what else? Vitamin E oil, it's another one I use, argan oil. Those are the oils that I primarily use in my hair that I say are super okay. Different ones for different times of the year. In the wintertime, my hair prone to be more drier. I used to think it was in the summertime because of the humidity, but actually it's the wintertime because the air is very dry. So I have to use a heavier or thicker oil in my hair during the wintertime so that my hair won't be as drying. But I am finding that as long as I keep it pretty hydrated and sealing that moisture, I do a hot oil treatment like every 3 to 4 months. It is great. Try to cut down on styling your hair a lot during the first year of your locks. Just kind of let your hair set in its own, you know, little course of locking. You want to make sure that it's, you know, you don't want to interfere with the growth of it and the budding of your hair. So you don't want to do a lot of styles that will hinder the growth of that lock, because it's trying to lock within itself. So you want to kind of leave it alone and let it do what it wants to do. What else can I tell you about locks? Sometimes people's scalps tend to be drier than others, so you got to make sure you're paying attention to your scalp. My scalp is kind of drier at the nape down here, and I think that's because of how my bonnets or my ties used to tie here. Even when I had permed hair, my hair was tending to be drier here. The relaxer would burn me back here at the nape, so I have to pay attention to that area of my hair. It tends to get dry, and it'll be dry along the sides and the back of it right in here. So you just have to pay attention to your hair. Listen to your hair, guys. It will speak to you. So this is the update on it. I am 22 months, almost 22 months locked, which will be, well, actually, I'm not going to be 22 months until January 25th. Y'all, my birthday is this month. It's the 28th. Okay, let me get back on course. Anyway, I'll be 22 months in January, but this is where it is, guys. My hair is doing amazing. Let me step off camera. I'm gonna give myself some more light. Okay, my hair is doing amazing, guys. I'm gonna just do a little spin around. Today, I just kind of top knotted right here at the top. There's some little design here at the top of my hair. And y'all see how much my hair has grown. Just see the back of it. And I do have gray hair, guys. I have been going back and forth with whether or not I want to actually dye my hair. Some people say yes, some people say no. I don't know what I'm feeling, because I actually don't want to mess up my locks by putting color in it. I definitely won't be doing blonde. I had thought about doing a blonde at one point, but I don't think I will be doing that at all. But this is my locks, guys. It is growing. It is doing really good. I have some that are very longer in the front here. And so, yeah. But this is where I'm at right now, guys. I hope you can see it. I'm trying to get in so you can just see every angle of it. I didn't really do anything to my hair. I didn't want to do no excessive styling to my hair. I wanted you to see what authentic, real locks look like. My hair is a softer texture, so it takes a little bit more for my hair to lock. I still have ends that are not completely sealed, even though my hair is locked. My hair is very curly at the roots, so when I retwist my hair, it don't tend to hold very long. It might hold for about a good week, and then it kind of unravels again. So I spend a lot of time doing this during the week. I just kind of twist it like that, and sometimes I might put some castor oil there, you know, and I might clip it there just to hold it to it, like actually locks a little bit more, or will actually stay twisted. But yeah, I do have one or two over here that I had talked about. Well, it's caught up in here right now. I talked about maybe retwisting because they were on a thinner side. Not that they're thinning out or anything. They're just, the locks are thin, and I had thought about joining them because I actually did one on this side, which, matter of fact, it was this one that I did like in the early stages. I probably was around 4 to 5 months when I actually combined this one. So right now I have 66 locks. Yeah, I have 66 locks, and if I join those two, then it'll be 65. So that is all I wanted to show you guys. It's just a quick update on where I am in my locks right now. So have any questions, drop them below. If you want to know anything else about it, like I said, I'm very low maintenance. I don't do a lot of things that a lot of people do. You know, it's your choice if you want to learn how to make your own home shampoos or conditioners or whatever. But I just find if you stick with natural products, whether it's your shampoos or your oils and things like that, your hair will be fine. You know, a lot of people get into the excessive styling. I don't. I just want my hair to be nice and thriving and long, and I'm just gonna let it do what it do what it do. So that is all, guys, and I will see you guys about my locks at the 2-year. Thank you for my lock followers. I know you guys don't get a lot of videos, but at this point of life, it's like it's kind of get redundant just saying the same thing over and over again, other than showing the length of it, showing the healthiness of it. That's all you really can do at this point. So thank you for watching, guys, and I'll see you real soon. Peace and love.